Alright, what's going on, YouTube? I'm Mark Pursuit. We out here driving in this snow, sleet and ice. We got about an inch or two of snow last night. And it looked like everything went real crazy. Everything snowed in. Slick as hell outside. Well, I'm going out to go get some medicine and stuff. So we got a little low. So I'm actually just driving about 20 miles per hour right now. Driving on the Eagle RSAs. I got about 80% left on them. They still fairly new, but they're not really holding up. Also, I have the open differential with the one wheel spin that also sucks as hell. So I'm just trailing behind this Ford F-150 right here, I guess. He leading the way for me. Normally I've been went around him and went from there. Y'all probably saw the police officer right there in the Tahoe. He's checking everything as well. I'm surprised I haven't saw no state troopers or anything riding out, but oh well, here we go. Up. As y'all can see, I almost lost spin right there. So this black ice is real crazy, and I'm going across this bridge now. Some scary shit. Scary shit. Every time I give my car any type of gas, I feel like it wanna come off up under me. Real crazy. I'm going across the Sabine River right now, y'all. I don't see no type of road, salt, or anything. Well, now I'm down to 15. And I'm driving in overdrive right now. I ain't get a chance to put it in the lowest gear, but I will be here in a minute. That way I won't lose my tracking off up under me. But it is actually real crazy. Something told me to get some damn snow tires, but it'd be alright though. Just trying to drive safe, be still, and then you got fools like this. Even though he look like he driving a little slow, but he going faster than I am. Cause I'm up to 20 miles per hour now. He probably going about 40. But I guess Dooley's able to go ahead and crawl right through it. Alright. Yeah, these roads are slick as fuck. Oh well. But I'm trying to go to the Walmart down here, y'all. It's about 10, maybe 15 minutes away from my house. We're getting close to it. I'll cut the video off whenever I actually make it up there, but right now, it's real crazy. Good thing I haven't saw no wrecks in there. Crazy shit. See, a couple of years ago, I was able to drive in this shit. Probably because they had the road salt down and they cleared it off a little bit. I had to go all the way to Lowe's. That was a good 30-35 minute drive from my location. But we'll see. I know a bunch of y'all tired of me saying actually and stuff in my videos, but y'all gotta excuse me, that's just a habit. I'm a good old country boy. More like a little country mixed with ghetto. Yeah, I'm just maintaining this 20 miles per hour right now. I don't wanna go a little bit faster. I almost fishtailed and went all the way fucking around and went in the damn ditch. On my way coming down here before I even started the video. Oh shit. Sorry, light, I'm gonna have to run you. Oh shit, here we go. Y'all see that? Going down the road half sideways and shit. Yeah, some scary stuff. But I just thought I'd go ahead and make a Make a good little quick video for y'all to actually see what's going on out here. Oh, it's still trying to fishtail on me. Yeah, we all know the Goodyear Eagle RSAs really don't hold up. This fucker riding around with some rims on him and stuff. Like he got some 22s or 24s on that shitty ass truck. See, everybody else out here creeping, this fucker want to fly through. People like that will cause accidents. You can easily lose your footing. And I know them damn low profile tires do not even have no type of snow traction on them. Me personally, these Eagle RSAs is better than those. But I'm almost at the Walmart there. I gotta go over this railroad track and then take this right up here. Now I'm behind this car. This car going slower than I am. I'm down to 5 miles per hour right now. Oh, you good, car. I'm gonna stay right behind you. I ain't gonna even try to go around you. Beat my luck, I've been done slid over to the other fucking lane. But I just want to touch base with you guys. The Crown Vic is really not good to drive up in the snow. I know some people say you can use sandbags and all those great things to actually help out, but it really all depends. Snow tires will actually be your best bet. And in my case, I'm driving on all season tires. All the way around, 80% of tread, no traction control. Looked like it was a wreck on down. Seeing police lights. Yeah, it's real crazy. I got a Charger flying up behind my ass back here. Now they're going around, barely making it with traction, like they're riding on some rims as well. Good looking Charger though. Probably got traction control on there helping him out. Oh man, this fucking sucks. Give it just a little gas and you about to lose fitting. And this car flying behind me, almost fishtail. Slow your ass down back there. You was not for the ride into the back of my ass. Yeah, I'm getting ready to turn off and get off of this shit. I think I'm gonna take some back roads on the way back. The hell with this shit. Alright, y'all, I'm ready to turn off. Yeah, look like it is a bad wreck. Police has got it blocked off down there. Must can't come through the light then on the way back up. How the fuck am I supposed to come back through here? Oh, they go to Charger, y'all. Look at it. It's stuck going uphill. Look at the Charger, y'all. He just stuck going uphill, burning rubber over there. Y'all see it over there? Y'all see that Charger? Look, he's stuck. And he is not going up. He's going backwards instead of going up. Well, let's see if I can make it up here with my car. The same slope is right down here. Be my luck, I'm over here running my damn trap. I might be sliding back to here with the one wheel spin. Oh man, this is fucking crazy. I was supposed to be driving way out to my job, but they called me last night, told me I didn't have to come in. Thank God for that. The kids didn't have to go to daycare or nothing like that, so let's see if we can make it up this hill, y'all. I don't want to gas it and drive into somebody's shit. Alright, let's see. Alright, it's pulling. It's pulling. It's pulling. It's pulling. The Charger done went back down. I'm looking at it now. Holy shit. The Crown Vic made it up. And people always choosing the Charger. Oh shit. Oh shit. Fucking finally made it. But hey y'all, I'm finna get ready to go ahead and park and go and get this medicine. My damn sinus has been fucking with me and so on and so forth. But you guys take it easy. Drive safe out here in this weather. On my pursuit. Better get ready to close it off.